Here I've got ASUS ZenPad 3S, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here you have to locate and open accounts right here. And as you can see, we are currently logged in with Google account, so if you would like to remove it, just click on Google. And here, tap on more icon, which is three dots one in the right upper corner, click on remove account, and then confirm that you would like to delete this account with all its messages, contacts and other user data by tapping on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, this account disappeared, so now your ZenPad is not connected with any Google account. But if you would like to add another one or log in with the same one for the second time, just open accounts again, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then click on add account. Then click on Google. And now it's time to enter your email address, so smoothly enter your email address right here. And click on next. As only it's entered, you have to click here the password, so let me do it off the screen. And when the password is entered, just tap on next. And here you have to come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with everything, just click on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, it's active. Just click on accept. And here it is. So as you can see now, under accounts you will find your Google account. Here it is. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easy add and remove Google account in your ZenPad 3S. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.